A writer is actually an artist. Just trying to be liberal, be free with their situation, you know what I mean? With their skill, with their art skill. People don't understand that when you hit a wall, even though we're destroying or doing whatever you think we're doing, we're actually putting art. We're trying to express ourselves. Try to be free with the situation. Where in the art world, you go and paint and they tell you what to paint or how to do it. Where here, you don't have to do it correct or have the straight line. You can always do it any way you feel comfortable. So it's a freedom of speech, you can say.
So scenery like this, underneath a bridge, underneath the highway, in the middle of the afternoon, this is like your comfort?
That's perfect, yeah, I love that. It's like being like 007. You don't need to know my name.
This is the classic can, Rust-Oleum. You know, you have to put an adapter on it because they change it.
Definitely a bomb. I bomb every day of my life.
You go out and you take your chances to get your name up. You still go out and jump those fences and climb this and that. It's not, people don't plug the, go to the park and plug into the light post anymore to DJ or do battles. They don't do that anymore. Graffiti still does.
Definitely is a rush and shit. It's definitely a rush and shit. You know what I mean? It gets my heart pumping and shit. You know what I mean? And it's definitely a rush. I just love painting, period. Like, it's nothing to it.